just like the piece wanted to fall out of me, so I just wanted to piece before I would talk to you guys. So I'm going for shopping. I want to take you guys along with me for shopping. Today's date is 23, so I'm going for last Christmas shopping, like what I did not get, so I want to get it now because these days I'm so much occupied. I'll be working late shift, so come with me, let's go for the shopping, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't mind me, like I woke up this morning, I've not peace, so I just rush here to peace and before I up out of the house. So let's go. Oh, it's really cold, guys. It's so cold. Outside is so cold. I'm going alone. Somebody is watching after my kids, so I want to rush. Where I'm going is not far from me. So, how are you guys doing? It's cold, eh? So, guys, like I said before, today I want to go for the for the last shopping for Christmas. Today is 23, like as you can see, it's last shopping 23. So throughout this month I've been working late shift. So I just want to, even today I have late shift, so I want to hurry up this morning and go for the shopping, so I will come home. Today I'm not going to sleep, like I'm crying because it's not going to be easy for me, but it's okay. This is season of love. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go to the shop now, and if you are just coming across my video for the first time, you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Press the red button close to you right now on your there, like press the red button there. After you press it, it will show you if you want to leave it or you want to on your notification bell. Please on your notification bell, because that is how you are going to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And please guys, always share my video out. Whew, the weather is so cold. I see everywhere is cold and everywhere is lonely because it's morning. It's morning, guys.
So as you can see, the whole place is just lonely and it's cold. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality.
So guys, first of all, I want to go into inside H&M. I want to get something for myself. So, and if I see something for my kids, I will just buy. So let me go inside. But first, something bring me here, so I'm going to go inside and see if I can see what I came from. I love this cloth, and I so much love it the way it look. I love the good one. So that they have a lot of pretty things inside here for ladies. So I finally got the black one. So they have a lot of beautiful things inside here, and like if you come to some, like when I come here inside H&M during Christmas, any money I take is by the grace of God. I will just like everything is just so beautiful. Are you seeing that, guys? Everything is so beautiful, mostly during Christmas. They have a lot of things here, guys, like, and they are in sales now. Everything is so cheap. Yeah. So guys, enjoy the shopping. For me, I'm going to go to other shop and get something. So I come across this cloth. It was so beautiful. I'm going to see if I will get one for my daughter. This year I did not get anything like red cloth for my kids. Last year they wear it all through, but this year I don't know. Let's just say we don't know. So I was in the other shop. I came to get some bedspread. So this is how I look for the day. How do I look, guys? Am I beautiful? So not beautiful. Beautiful is underestimated, because I know I am beautiful. Look at your baby girl. So let's just go and get what we came from. So guys, I'm through shopping. I'm just so tired. I'm going home. I just said let me rest here. I'll update you guys. Like the shop was so full. I could not film anything there. The shop was too full. So I just rested here because I'm so tired. Look at the things. So I'm going home. So guys, I'm trekking home. One thing I love about this my village, is a village, but everything you need is around here. Yeah, that's what I love about this village. People call it village, but for me it's not a village. You have H&M, you have a lot of shop. You can shop for your kids, for yourself. There's a lot of things around it. And now I just find out that when I went outside now, that they have Africa shop around, close to me, guys. If I want to go to Africa shop, I have to take train for like 30 something or 40 minutes. You can see the distance. So it's good. Those people that create the idea to put Africa shop here, they really do a good job, like a great job. So now I can just think of what I want from Africa shop without me going for a long journey. Like I will just come out from my house, trek like 15 minutes, I will get what I want and I will come back. You will not use money to take train or other thing like that. I was so happy when I passed through the place and I see Africa shop. I run inside to say, there's Africa shop here. The lady said, yes, it's new. I was so happy, guys. So guys, thank you so much for going with me to shop. I know I did not film it, but that was a little I could go because everywhere was just full and about 2. I was ashamed of filming because there is a lot of people today. So that's it, and thank you so much for watching this video. And if you are not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. I'm ending this video because I don't want to go inside, and I know when I go inside now my kids will be the noise, so I just want to end the vlog. Yeah, thank you so much. Like I said, if you are new to my YouTube channel for the first time, you just click on my video. Please don't hesitate to subscribe on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. I hope you enjoy this video, and happy Christmas in advance. We just have one more day and it's Christmas. Thank you so much. Bye. Remain blessed. May God bless you all, my supporter around the world. I don't know where you are watching me from. Bye.